About the hydration side of like the longevity of the cookies and the bread, I completely forgot about that because when you're making the gluten-free bread or sourdough in this case, you really have to hydrate it because the alternatives don't hold moisture as well as traditional like flour
Yeah,
is.
so
Yeah.
so like gluten-free can be more like dense because normal bread have the gluten and the gluten create the bubbles. So you won't get big bubbles and more quite airy. It can be more dense, depends on the flour you use. And we add to the flour, so you add like some like more like like starches and stuff like that. Because it's light, it makes the bread more light than if preparing but without it, and that's what gives lightness. It depends on the recipe. So sometimes some bread are more a bit more dense, and it's all do with the ingredients, so what you have in the mix, and then the amount of water you add to the mix. I see people a recipe on Instagram, they add more water than they usually do, and it can it can change the quality of the bread, or maybe it's fine, or maybe it improves it or makes it like a little bit worse and have a bit less the right amount of water.
Because you can't just drop it in a small bowl of water, but at the same time, you've got to spray it enough to where it actually rises, don't you?
Yeah, there's some recipes do ask to like add moisture in when you bake it. Sometimes they don't ask for it. Depends on the recipe. So it's what you're looking for.
Also depends on the type of bread you're making. Because I'm just thinking like fruit bread. So when you chuck in the raisins or the dried fruit, that would probably require a lot less moisture because you've got a lot less of the substitutes and supposed to say brioche bread. Where I've never had that before, but I know it's very
Yeah.
holly. You know what I mean. So you'd really have to soak that to actually get the texture of the brioche
Yeah,
bread.
so like if you add, let's say you make a seedy bread, you probably have to add more water to the bread because the dry seeds will absorb the moisture.